Hi, I'm going to show you how to set up SSH configuration between a router and PC1. So to access the CLI of router, I will have to connect console cable from RS232 port of PC1 to the console port of router. Similarly, if I want to access the CLI of switch, I need to connect the RS232 cable to the console port of switch. Go to the terminal program on PC. Cisco uses default serial connection shown in the packet tracer. So I will press OK. After getting into the CLI, I will have to set up hostname as Aditya by going into the configuration of router. The next step is to set up domain name, so I will write humber.com as my domain. Set the modulus to 1024 to use SSH 1.99. Type line VTY04 and it says SSH 1.99 has been enabled. Now I will choose SSH as my transport input. After that I can log in from my local account, and then I have set up the username for my SSH client, which has to be different from my hostname. And then I will type SSH secret password. To check if I can log in, I will go to my desktop, find SSH client program in PC1, and here I will have to type my IP address of router and username as SSH Aditya. Similarly, for accessing the switch, we just need to connect the console cable from the router to the switch and to the console. After doing enable, it will prompt for the password, and now I can log into my SSH client on PC1. After assigning IP address to VLAN 1 on the switch, I was able to access the terminal on PC1.